take us one trip.
When you talk to any drivers about driving, they often have very strongly held opinions. And of course, they don't always agree with each other. That's because they're working from their own perceptions and understanding and knowledge. And of course, perception and reality doesn't always go hand in hand. Try asking a group of friends or colleagues, any number, how they rate themselves as drivers. Give them a scale of 1 to 10, maybe, where 10 is perfect driver, 5 is just average, and see what you get from that group. It's very, very likely that 90% or more of the people you ask will rate themselves in the region of 6 to 9, so either just above average or well above average. You almost certainly won't get anybody rated themselves below average. You may get a few people saying average, and you may get a few people also saying they're perfect tens, of course. But how can that be? Because where are all the people that you need really to make this work that are rating themselves below average? You can also try asking people to list out the things that annoy them the most about other drivers. And you're likely to get largely the same list with the same items on it. You get things like drivers that don't signal at roundabouts, particularly drivers that cut us up on the motorway or follow us too closely, tailgate us. You might get slow drivers or hesitant drivers, or on the other hand, impatient drivers. And these tend to be filling those lists that people make. But then, if everybody you ask is complaining about these things, where are the people doing it? Or actually, could it be us at times when we don't actually realize we're doing that because we're not really focusing on our driving? 90% of all collisions or more are deemed to be due to human error, and therefore they're avoidable. And actually, to avoid or make yourself at lower risk of having a collision doesn't actually mean you have to go out on an advanced driving course, but partially it's just increasing focus, increasing knowledge, increasing concentration on the driving task. Unfortunately, today, if it's an average day, around 5 people are likely to be killed on the roads of the UK, and nearly something like 10 times that many seriously injured. And that's bad enough, but that's not just today. That is every single day. And we may not see a collision happen. We may not have seen a collision actually happen for many months or even years. But they do happen, and most of those people are just like you and I. This is DriveTalk with me, Graham Mylward, and I want to use the experience I've picked up over 25 years as a driver trainer and also a road safety officer doing casualty reduction work to really just increase knowledge and awareness wherever I can to try and make people at less risk of having a collision. If you have any particular subjects on driving you want me to cover in the video, I'm happy to try and do that. Just mention it in the comments below. But for now, that's it for me, and hope to see you again soon.
I'll just do some fun waffles.
Ought to take us one trip.